In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Snapchat name without waiting for a full year if you once updated it. You can simply change your username on Snapchat at any time in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. Tap on your profile icon. Then click on this settings icon. On your settings page, to change your username, tap right here. Snapchat by default only allows you to change your username once a year. So if you want to change to any other name before the period of 1 year ends, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. Open up the official Snapchat Support Center, which is help.snapchat.com. On this page, enter your username. Then your email address. You will also enter your phone number. Lastly, in this space, write to Snapchat letting them know how urgently you need to change your username. In your script, make sure it's business-wise. If you need a full script of what I wrote to them, just comment help and I'll reply to you with a full paragraph of what I wrote to the Snapchat team. It usually takes 2 to 3 days and they will reply back to you. You will be given one more chance of changing your username again. That's how easy it is to change your Snapchat name twice within a period of 1 year. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.